Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are thinking about cancelling your Spectrum internet service, it is a good idea to understand the process before making any final changes to your account. Some people want to cancel because they are moving to a new place, switching internet providers, or simply no longer need the service. Others assume that stopping payments will automatically end the account, but that usually does not happen. Spectrum internet service often requires a proper cancellation request, so there are no billing surprises later. You may also need to return equipment connected to the service, which many users forget during the process. The good thing is that once you know the correct steps, canceling the service becomes much easier and smoother. In this video, I will show you step by step how to cancel Spectrum Internet service. Try these. Step 1. Sign in to the Spectrum Internet account and review the Spectrum Internet account details. Step 2. Check the billing information in the Spectrum Internet account before cancelling Spectrum Internet service. Step 3. Contact Spectrum Internet customer support to request cancellation of the Spectrum Internet service. Step 4. Confirm whether any Spectrum Internet equipment like the Spectrum Internet modem or router must be returned. Step 5. Ask Spectrum Internet for the final cancellation date of the Spectrum Internet service. Step 6. Review the Spectrum Internet account again and confirm the Spectrum Internet service has been cancelled successfully.